neglecting to build a strong network. Real estate is not a solo game. Many new investors try to navigate the complex world of property ownership without the right connections, which often leads to missed opportunities and costly mistakes. Building a reliable network of professionals and like-minded investors can be a game changer for your success. Start by surrounding yourself with experienced mentors, agents, and contractors who can provide valuable advice and insights. Real estate agents can offer market expertise, while contractors help you assess renovation costs and timelines. If you're investing in rental properties, property managers can take the burden of day-to-day operations off your plate. Having access to experts ensures you're not making decisions in a vacuum. Networking also helps you discover off-market deals and exclusive opportunities. Join local real estate meetups or online communities where investors share tips, leads, and best practices. You'll often hear about properties or investment strategies before they hit the mainstream market. Building relationships with other investors can also open doors to partnerships for larger ventures, allowing you to pool resources and mitigate risks. Finally, don't underestimate the value of having a dependable legal and financial team. Real estate attorneys can help you navigate complex contracts, while accountants can guide you on tax strategies and cash flow management. Cultivating a strong network isn't just about who you know, it's about creating a team that supports your growth and protects your investment.